Hello everybody in YouTube land. I'm doing a little impromptu unboxing here because about a month or so ago, well maybe more than a month ago, I got this back, which is an old Pepsi Cola bottle box. You used to be able to get through like record companies. You buy like from Columbia House, you can buy vinyl records and CDs and stuff. And I have a lot of LPs from back when I was a teenager. That's Kiss. There's so many great records in here. Diver Down from probably 1982 or 3. Can't remember what year it was printed, but Led Zeppelin 2. I mean, I don't need to go through all this. But of course, to play these vinyl records, you need a record player, and I don't have one. I haven't had one forever. Grease, the original soundtrack, hilarious. Anyway, that's probably my sister's. She added to this because I had her holding on to this for the longest time. Gave it to her actually, but she gave it back. She's like, I'm not using it, yeah. So, let me put these back just so they don't get wrecked. And we have something that I got last week during Amazon Day, Prime Day. So Amazon Prime Day, if you guys don't know about Amazon Prime and Amazon Prime Day, it's really worth it because you get free Amazon like movies and music and stuff if you have a stick. I got a $14 stick from last year's Black Friday. I have it hooked up to the TV. I probably got it 2 years ago actually. Just recently bought the Dot, which is the Alexa kind of at-home thing. You can hook it up to like all kinds of security and other home useful things. You can talk to it and ask it for information. Just say Alexa or whatever you want to use as a code to get it started, and it'll tell you everything you probably want to or need to know. And so I got that. I got this, but they also had what I've been looking and waiting to get for quite some time now is a record player, an LP player. So been looking at the Audio Technica because they have a really good one with a decent, I guess what they call that thing, the needle, the little crystal, diamond crystal, whatever kind of crystal headed little thing that pulls the sound up off the vinyl grooves that are in the vinyl. So unboxing. Normally these go for 300 bucks, but for under $260 shipped, I not only got the player, which has a built-in preamp. It's the newest version, which has Bluetooth, I believe, or if it's not Bluetooth, anyway, it's the latest version. And it also came with a free set of these. Now, I know it's backwards, right? But these are the Mackie CR3s, which are 3-inch woofer, multimedia style, though, you know, high quality for the money. Like I think they're 100 bucks retail. Multimedia, like stereo pair of speakers that are self-powered and all. So, you know, look it up on YouTube or wherever for reviews, and it comes in fairly highly rated for the money. So, of course, got that. Record player also came with a little rubber platter. It's whatever this is from Beach Camera. Home delivery, came all the way from New Jersey. And not sure what that is. I think that might be the cleaning solution, record cleaner, brush, and then this is the baby that I've been wanting to get for a while. The Audio Technica LP120X, which is the new one, USB turntable in black. I just love opening stuff. There it is. So, no big picture anywhere, but it does show it there. I guess maybe this orientation would be correct. It's got the cover, and in English, the basic info. I don't know if that makes sense to even hold it up because it's probably backwards. So, I'm going to be hooking this puppy up And the biggest problem is deciding which vinyl LP to play first. It might be the Spirit Driver LP that I bought for myself and my buddy Tom a couple months ago when it came out. Got it for him, I think it was actually around Christmas time or before Christmas. So in either case, box opening, back from our Peru trip. I've been busy as hell with work and all, but I'm going to be putting some content out. And I very well may take on the challenge of VEDA. If none of you have been watching YouTube for long, VEDA is something I found out about through Ben Coombs, one of my favorite YouTuber dudes, because he's so positive and a very cool guy out of Canada, way up in the Toronto area, I believe. One day we'll hook up, I'm sure, somewhere down in Nam or whatnot. But the bottom line is, you know, he's like, hey, video every day in April, VEDA. Well, I guess they do that in August too. So to get my YouTube channel kind of going, because it's not really going, I'm throwing up stuff once in a while. I threw a bunch up from NAM, but very, you know, not very pro. Not very, very amateurish, I guess you could say. And I'm still using my video camera for my phone right now, so I'm not even using like a real camera or audio or anything. And didn't even hook up the mic, the clip-on lab mic. Lapel mic or lab mic? LAV? I don't even know why they call it that. I thought it was lapel, like lap mic, but I'm wrong. In either case, I'm going to try to get this channel going a little bit more professionally in a sense, try to make it more interesting to viewers. Obviously, my name, Music Therapy Laz, has to do with music, not just as a form of therapy, but a way of, you know, music being a great way to just an outlet for you creativity-wise and helps a lot of people in so many ways. I'm going to obviously do a little more investing time into putting some video together that relates to music therapy and how music can help so many. But the bottom line is, without music, what would we be like in this world? I mean, it would be a terrible place if you didn't have music. I can't imagine human beings not having music. So here I am doing this little unboxing for you all because I need music and I definitely need to listen to some of these LPs, and looking forward to plugging in my really nice biodynamic headphones, or even just through my JBL speakers in the room, but I'll definitely be using these as well as reference and just to listen, and maybe I'll even throw some of that stuff up, but I can't. Yeah, copyright. So, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I definitely did, but I'm definitely going to enjoy the listening that much more. Thanks for watching. Music Therapy Laz out. Have a great day. And remember, this is my new catchphrase. I don't know if this is going to catch on or not, but the feel and the tone, all that stuff that people talk about online. It's in your hands, it's this and that. I really think it's in your mind. Music therapy is a lot about music, the creative force that we interpret through our mind. So in my mind, I think tone, that's where it comes from. You put your tone together through your mind. So tone is in the mind. And of course, you need your hands and your other senses to create the feel in your tone. So in my mind, you know, tone is going to be coming from your heart, because everything else, where it comes from, where you put it together from, you got to throw some spirit into that. You got to have some heart in your music, otherwise it's just not going to connect. So, yeah, music. Tone is in your mind, feel comes from your heart, put it together, make some music, man. That's what it's about. Well, thanks for watching again. Have a great summer if I don't see you sooner. Bye-bye.